I've been asked which bills to pay first. 4 steps. If cash is short this month, here's the exact order that protects your home, job, legal standing, and credit, then rebuilds your safety net.
Now, keep it simple and clear. So, what's step one?
Step 1. Protect home and income. Pay what keeps a roof overhead and lets you earn. Things like rent or mortgage. Essential utilities like electric, water, and heat. Also the transportation you rely on for work. Losing housing or critical utilities or the ability to get to work creates the biggest fallout and is costlier to fix than almost anything else.
If I can't cover every utility, what should I do first?
Prioritize shutoff risks like electricity, heat, and water. Call the utility and ask for a payment plan or hardship option. Also check if your household qualifies for L, I, H, E, AP, Energy Help. Step 2. Legal obligations and insurance you must keep. Next, cover legally binding obligations. For example, child support, taxes, or court fines. Required insurance, you need to stay legal to protect assets like auto liability, renters, home, and health. Penalties and legal issues can escalate fast. For taxes alone, the IRS charges a monthly failure to pay penalty on unpaid balances.
What happens if I can't pay all my taxes now?
Pay what you can, then set up an IRS payment plan and ask about penalty relief if you qualify. Acting early limits penalties and interest. Step 3. Minimums to prevent fees and service loss. Make at least the minimums on credit cards and essential loans you rely on, like an auto loan or phone, if needed for work. Minimums help avoid late fees, protect access to the account, and limit credit damage, even though paying only minimums costs more over time. If you can't meet the minimum, call the lender to request a hardship plan.
So, exactly what am I supposed to say when I call?
Here's your 20-second phone script. Hi, I'm calling because I'm experiencing a short-term hardship. I can pay blank dollars per month for blank months. Can we set up a temporary hardship plan or reduced payments so I can stay current and avoid extra fees? I'll call back to you on the date we agree to. Now for step 4, catch up. Then rebuild a small cushion and cut high interest costs. With any dollars left, first catch up past due essentials from steps 1 through 3. Then start rebuilding a small emergency cushion. Even $20 per paycheck via automatic transfer helps, so next month isn't another crisis. After a starter cushion, direct extra money to the highest interest debts to lower your monthly burden.
So, the order is stay housed and working, meet legal must pays, cover minimums to prevent damage, and then rebuild and reduce interest. Did I get that right?
Exactly. Follow the order, call creditors early, and automate a small cushion so you're safer every month. We've linked a simple bill tracker you can download.
All right. Follow the 4-step order this month and tell me in the comments what changed.